Welcome to Puerto Rico.
We are in Old San Juan.
Beer and an iguana. A mood. Okay, so we are in Old San Juan, and this is a totem pole built to signify the 500-year anniversary of when Christopher Columbus discovered the New World.
Fort, they have guns there, and guns at this fort. When ships came into the bay, they would shoot so that they couldn't come into the bay. It was a form of protection. Enemy boats.
Alright guys, so we are currently in Yunque, which is the only rainforest in the US. It's quite a hike. Alright, we are going all the way up there. Apparently it's a really good view. Wish me luck.
I found caterpillar. It stuck out because it has a red butt.
Nice. So far it's just been this kind of path pretty much the whole time. The lizard is so cute.
I could not be more. Wait, what is it?
Oh my god.
Could not be more at one with nature than now.
Thank you.
It feels so weird.
It feels weird.
Okay, so a few things to note. If you are going to come to El Yunque, you need bug spray and you need sunscreen. Hiking boots would probably have been good, but I mean, I just did it in sneakers and I was fine. Oh, and also buy your tickets like right away. They sell out super fast. So if like the time says like 175 tickets at like 8 o'clock, be online at 8 o'clock because they will go by in like minutes. All right, how would you rate that walk?
It was hard. It was a little sweaty, but I'd rate it a 10 out of 10.
Thank you. Okay guys, this is the view from the hotel. It's an ocean view. I'm not entirely sure how to say that in Spanish, but vamos a la playa. What is it?
The sand dollar.
And is it alive?
Yes.
Very nice.